Hi everybody. Now for those of you who know me personally, know my love for donuts, and I just found Captain Crunch's Sprinkle Donut Crunch, and I just had to buy it because it looks like little donuts that has sprinkles on them. I don't know if you can see that, but it got sprinkles on them. And I'm going to try it to see what my thoughts are for breakfast this morning. Mmm. Fantastic. Kind of reminds me of Rice Krispie treats. Well, I'm going to finish this bowl off before I go to work. If you're into buying neat little things, this is something you must buy. I'm going to enjoy my bowl of sprinkled donut crunch from Captain Crunch. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.